Ooh, what a beautiful chic pixie transformation. I like the spiky texture that this has. Beautifully done. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. Now if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we are going to be checking out some more hair transformations. So here we have someone with the scissors doing a bit of a DIY. Now obviously she is at the salon, so the stylist does clean it up into a gorgeous boy cut pixie shape. Very nice. Now for me personally, I love watching the long to pixie transformations. They are just so inspiring to see women cutting all their hair off. I absolutely love it. Now, if you guys feel inspired by any of the hairstyles featured within today's video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. So here we have someone who switched things up with this undercut pixie style. This one also features a nice spiky texture going there at the top. And then we see this curly hair transformation. Beautiful head full of curls. But it looks like she wants to go short with more of a pixie style. So here she is heading to the salon. Stylist places the hair in two ponytails and begins to cut. And it definitely looks like she's getting more of a curly style pixie here. Ooh, loving the results. She looks absolutely amazing. And if you do have curly hair, this is one of the most popular pixie styles that we are seeing this season. So gorgeous. Next up, we have someone else with curly hair. Her hair is around shoulder length or so. Whoa, full on buzz cut and hair dyed blonde. I was not expecting that one. Very nice. Now this is definitely a major dramatic transformation, and I am here for it. So here we have someone else. It does look like she might end up doing a DIY haircut for this one. So she has her hair in braids or twists. looks like she is just going for it. Now she's cutting the hair quite short, so we might have another buzz cut for this one. Wow, that is a lot of hair. Yeah, so she's definitely doing a full-on buzz cut for this one. Very nice. I feel like the summer season is the perfect time to do that if you want to completely buzz cut your hair. So here we have someone with dreadlocks. Now most of the time with dreadlocks, if you want to go shorter or do something else with your hair, you definitely have to cut off the dreads. I have seen techniques where you can actually comb them out and it takes hours to do. So here we have the end result. Beautiful pixie. Wow. She looks absolutely gorgeous. And she does have nice baby bangs to frame out this pixie style. Stunning transformation. Alright, you guys, I hope that you did enjoy these, watching them with me today. If you did, please be sure to give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you next time.